Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI world. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: AI and automation. When you hear these terms, you might feel a bit anxious. Maybe you're wondering if robots are going to take over all our jobs. But there's more to this story, and it's not as simple as that. Let's explore how AI and automation are really changing the way industries operate and what it means for all of us. So let's start by clearing up a common misconception. Yes, AI and automation are changing how we work, but it doesn't mean robots are taking over everything. Not all jobs can be automated, and in many cases, AI is being used to assist rather than replace human workers. There are specific tasks where automation makes a lot of sense, especially in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even customer service. But let's take a closer look at how this is playing out in different sectors. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. Amazon's warehouse automation. One of the most well-known examples is Amazon. Back in 2012, Amazon acquired a robotics company called Kiva, which marked a significant shift in their operational strategy. Today, Amazon uses over 200,000 robots in their warehouses alongside thousands of employees. These robots handle tasks like picking items from shelves and moving them to packing stations. What's impressive is how these robotic pickers can do their job 3 to 4 times faster than a human could. But it doesn't stop there. Amazon also uses a system called carton wrap, a robotic application for packing items into cartons before they're shipped. This system can pack 600 to 700 packages per hour, about 4 or 5 times faster than a person. With such efficiency, it's no wonder Amazon replaced over 1,300 employees with this technology. Of course, Amazon's rapid growth often allows them to reassign these workers to other roles, but it does highlight the balancing act companies face between efficiency and job security. Example 2. Here we will look at the automotive industry. Let's switch gears, literally, and talk about the automotive industry. Companies like Tesla and Ford are using AI-powered robots on their assembly lines to improve precision and speed. For instance, robots are used for tasks like welding, painting, and assembling parts. These are jobs that require incredible accuracy and consistency, something robots excel at. Tesla's Gigafactory, for example, is famous for its heavy reliance on AI and automation. Robots there handle everything from shaping the metal parts to installing the electric batteries. The result? A faster production line that can meet the high demand for electric vehicles. But it's not just about speed. These robots also reduce waste and ensure that every vehicle meets strict quality standards. Example 3. We will explore healthcare realm. Now, this is another important industry where AI is making a big impact: healthcare. In hospitals, AI is being used to automate administrative tasks like scheduling and billing, freeing up time for medical staff to focus on patient care. But beyond the paperwork, AI-powered robots are assisting in surgeries as well. Take the Da Vinci surgical system, for example. It's a robotic system that allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision. While the surgeon is still in control, the robot provides a steady hand, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times for patients. AI is also helping with diagnosing diseases. For instance, AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect early signs of conditions like cancer. These systems can sometimes identify issues faster and more accurately than human doctors, which is crucial for early treatment. Example 4 is on retail and customer service. Back to the retail sector, where AI is making waves in customer service as well. Have you ever interacted with a chatbot on a website? That's AI in action. These chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, answering questions, providing recommendations, and even processing orders, all without human intervention. This kind of automation not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the customer experience by providing instant support. And it's not just online. Physical stores are getting smarter too. In Japan, for instance, some stores are using AI-powered robots to greet customers, help them find products, and even suggest items based on their shopping history. These robots are not replacing employees, but are working alongside them to improve service. In example 5, we will explore the financial services. The financial industry is another area where AI is being heavily used. Banks and financial institutions are using AI to automate tasks like processing loan applications, detecting fraud, and managing investments. For example, robo-advisors are AI systems that provide financial advice and manage portfolios without human intervention. These systems analyze market trends and make investment decisions in real time, often outperforming human financial advisors in terms of speed and accuracy. In fraud detection, AI algorithms can analyze transaction patterns and flag suspicious activities much faster than traditional methods. This not only protects consumers, but also saves banks millions of dollars each year. So as you can see, AI and automation are transforming industries across the board. From warehouses to hospitals, from car factories to customer service, AI is making things faster, more efficient, and often more accurate. But it's not just about replacing jobs. It's about changing the way we work and finding new opportunities. What do you think? How do you see AI and automation impacting your industry or job? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the AI World for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.